next is an equity buyout or payout. What this means is, and I hope the examples are helping you. Somebody brings money into your business in exchange for 40% of your business. Let's imagine somebody brings in, a business partner brings in $100,000 in exchange for 40% of your business, right? Now, the conversation is that in 5 years' time, they want you to pay them $250,000. Get this, right now, they've given you $100,000. In 5 years' time, they want you to pay them $250,000. Depending on your kind of business, that may be a fantastic deal. That's what you call a lump sum buyout. Because in 5 years' time, you're going to buy out. Right now, that person owns 40% of your business because they give you $100,000. That's what you agreed. But in 5 years' time, you will buy out, you will buy back that 40% equity from them. You will buy it for $250,000, a lump sum payment. So that could be an option. This is helpful if you don't want shareholders or co-founders that will stay with you for a long time. Because don't forget, unlike when you take a loan from somebody, the moment you finish paying that loan, your relationship with that person is done. Equity is not like that. If somebody gives you equity today, as long as your business exists, they can remain in your business for the next 50 years, for life, as long as that business exists. So there's no definite end. In fact, that's why I say it's very similar to marriage. Because for marriage, you are in that marriage until death separates you. So until either person dies, the marriage still exists. In business, until the business dies, because don't forget, a business partner may die, but their interest in your business will remain by the people who inherit them, by their estate. So in business, it's just a bit different. Until the business dies, that business partnership still exists. So if you want to buy out the person, you can have the agreement now to say, I'm taking this money from you in exchange for 40% ownership of the business. But then I'm going to buy you out 5 years from now at this price. You make it very clear. The next is an installmental buyout, which is a variant of what I just told you about. You are my business. You're coming into a business partnership with me. You bring in 100,000 into the business for 40% equity stake, 40% ownership of the business. But I will buy you out over the next 5 years. By the second year, I will pay you $50,000. By the third year, I will pay you another 50. By the fourth year, I will pay you 100. That's 200 so far. By the fifth year, I will pay you 50. So what you've just done is that you've spread the payments. It's going to be you are buying out the person, but you are buying out the person instrumentally, right? And then, of course, there's a performance-based exit package, which is that you've brought in $100,000 as my business partner. You brought in $100,000 into the business. If we hit a particular valuation, the valuation means right now we're starting a business. It's not worth much, but I plan to build this business for the next 5 years and sell it and sell the business. So the goal is that the higher the valuation of the business, the more money we can make. And the more money you will make, because 40%, if I build this business to a valuation of 1 million, because you own 40% equity, you will get 400,000 from the 1 million if I sell the business. If I grow the value of the company to 10 million, instead of 400,000, you get what? 4 million. So that is based on the performance. But the good thing about this compensation model is that you're already thinking about the end from the beginning, which is a very important thing to keep in mind when you are taking money as equity from somebody, because equity does not expire. So you need to think in advance. How do I want this person on board my company for how long? How long do you want this person on board? And then you figure out a way to buy them out. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.